How to listen to Spotify while playing Roblox on your iPhone or Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to listen to Spotify while you're playing Roblox on your iPhone or Android, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, go ahead and open your Spotify application on your mobile device and start playing your music that you prefer. Open the Roblox application and start playing any game. Your music will continue to play in the background. And to control music, you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And from there, you can pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume. Make sure that the silent mode is turned off as well. And on Android, you can open the Spotify, start playing a song or a playlist, and tap on the home button or use a device gesture to return to the home screen, leaving the Spotify running in the background. So open the Roblox application and start a game, and your music will continue playing in the background. And to control your music, you can use the notification bar at the top of your screen, and you can pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume from there while you're playing Roblox. Make sure that your battery saver is also turned off, and make sure that the Spotify has permission to run in the background. You can check this on your phone setting under the apps and under Spotify's battery. If the music stops playing automatically, you can close any other apps running in the background and disable the battery optimization for Spotify in your phone settings. And if the problem continues, try restarting your phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.